given a beautiful circuit. Okay, we are asked to find the total current in this circuit, right? Now, if you're watching my videos I've done on this channel, I've taught you guys about what series connection and parallel what connection. Now, this is what series connection. Why is it called series connection? It's called series connection because you can see that all the connections are joined in what series. They are joined end to end, right? Now, we are asked to find the what total what current. Now, do you know one of the interesting things about this? If you're focusing on a question like this, what you have to understand, your Ohm's law. Remember that Ohm's law states that the total amount of current that flows in a metallic conductor is directly proportional to the what total voltage, right? And inversely direct proportional to resistance, provided that the temperature remains what constant. That means our I, which is our total current, our I is equals to what V divided by what our total what resistance. Wow, this is amazing. But remember that in this circuit here, we are getting about what our Vs is what our source, which is about 12 volts. Which that means we are getting about volt. Our volt is equals to what 12 volts, which is our voltage, right? Now we are looking for our current, but before we can know our current, we must know our total resistance. How are we going to know our total resistance? Please take note that in this circuit, that the same current that flow in circuit resistor 1 is the same current that flow in what resistor 2, and the same current that flow in what resistor what 3. It implies that if here is what V1, which is voltage 1, and here is voltage 2, and here is voltage what 3, it means that the sum of all this voltage across each what resistor is equal to the total what voltage. That means V1, okay, plus V2, okay, plus V3 is equals to what the total voltage. Wow, this is pocket genius, amazing. I love this, right? Now remember, by the definition of Ohm's law, by making the V, which is the source, the subject of the formula, it means that I arrow, okay, is equals to what V. Interesting, right? So it means that I arrow is equals to V. So anywhere we see V, you have to put what I arrow. So from here, we have this is I arrow 1, okay, plus I arrow 2, okay, plus I arrow what 3 is equals to what? You can see that V is what I arrow. So here is what I what arrow. Wow. Now let's factorize what is common. What is common here? You can see that I is common. We factorize I add into I arrow 1 divided by I equals arrow 1. I arrow 2 divided by arrow I arrow 2 divided by I equals plus what arrow 2. Okay. I arrow 3 divided by I equals what plus what I3 arrow 3, or is equals to what I multiplied by what arrow. Remember, we are looking for the what total resistance in the what series what connection. Remember what I said earlier, that in this circuit that the current that flow in resistor 1 also flow in what resistor what 2, right? And also respectively with resistor what 3. So in this place, we are looking for what our formula for what series what connection. So since we see that arrow 1 plus arrow 2, that's I into arrow 1 plus arrow 2 plus arrow 3 is equals to what? I multiply by what total what resistance. So what you have to do is to divide both sides by I. Let's isolate what I. We don't need I, we need what total what resistance, right? So if we divide here by I, and also divide here by what I will cancel out. We see that arrow 1 plus arrow 2 plus arrow 3 is equals to what? Our total what resistance. Wow, this is amazing. So it implies that arrow 1 plus arrow 2 plus arrow 3 is equals to what? Total what resistance. Wow, this is pocket genius, right? Now this is the formula of this circuit. Now let's know about what total what resistance in this what circuit. We know that arrow 1 is what? Arrow 1 is 5 ohms. This is what 5 ohms, right? Plus what is arrow 2? Arrow 2 is 10 ohms. This is what 10 ohms, right? Plus what is arrow 3? Arrow 3 is what 15 ohms. So yes, what 15 what ohms equals to what total what resistance. It implies that 5 plus 10 is what 15. 15 plus 50 equals what 30 ohms. So you see that total resistance is equals to what 30 ohms. Wow, this is amazing. Can you see how simple and interesting it is? Now we are getting our what? We are getting our total what resistance. Remember, by the definition of Ohm's law, that Ohm's law states that the total amount of current that flow in this circuit is directly proportional to the total voltage and inversely direct proportional to what resistance, provided the temperature remains what constant, right? As you can see that I, that means I, okay, is equals to V divided by what? Total what resistance. Are we getting our total resistance? Yes. Do you have our total voltage? Yes. So you're okay, you're comfortably okay to find out what total what current. That means I is equals to what is V? V is 12 ohms. So this now become what 12 ohms, okay, divided by what is total resistance? 30. It's what? 30, right? Okay. Now, that means our I is equals to, now let's do simple mathematics here. Very, very simple mathematics, right? Now, 2 into, let's see, 12, 6 will go into 12 time. 6 going to 12 will give us 6 times, right? Good. Then 6 into this will give us 5. So this will give us 5, right? Because 6 times 5 give us 30. So it means that this is what becomes what? 6 divided by what? 5. Now, let's break it down to what? Let's break this 6 divided by 5 down. Okay? Because I know that 6 into this will give us 6 into 12 give us 6 into 12 give us 6 because, okay? Alright, am I saying 6? No, because 6 into 12 give us 6 into 12 give us 2, right? Because 2 times 6 will give us 12, right? Then 6 into 30 will give us 5, right? Now 2 into 2 is 1. Let's just leave it 2 over 5. Okay, let's leave it 2 over 5 because 2 cannot go into 5. Okay, this is amazing. Now let me use my calculator to break this down. That means 2 divided by what? 2 divided by 5 give us what? Okay. So that means our total I, which is our current, is equals to what? Is equals to 0.4 amperes. Now this is the solution to this particular problem. Let's see how simple and interesting it is. Sorry for this, because I know that 6 into 12 is 2, because 2 times 6 is what? Is 12, right? Now 6 into 30 is what? Is 5, because 5 times 6 is what? 30. And this is a clear solution to this particular problem. So thank you so much for watching. Please, if you find it interesting, don't hesitate. Do well to like, comment, and share it to long ones so others will learn from it. Please, if you're not subscribed, consider to subscribe to this channel so that a lot of exciting video you'll be notified. So thank you so much, and God bless you. Bye bye.